Another feature that you definitely want to pay attention to is the milestones. Milestones are so crucial to the success of every single project. I remember there are times when, when I'm working on client projects in the beginning, when I didn't have anything to manage it with, it's hard to keep up with the milestones because sometimes you get a bunch of emails and you forget what email says what. You check subject lines, you go back to your emails and you can't find this and you can't find a deadline for this. So this milestone feature saves you all that headache. So you can be able to create milestones that everyone can be able to see on your team, even for yourself if you're an individual. So if you have a team that's working on something, they can be able to create different milestones to make sure that everyone is on the same page. So we click on new here. It gives you several options. You can choose the project for that when you click on the drop down. So if you're working on, let's say, 6 or 7 different projects at the same time for different clients, when you click on select a project, it's going to list all the current projects that you're working on. All you have to do is just to go down the list and select the project that you want to create the milestone for. And once you create the milestone for, you notice that you have this activated. So you want to set the permission first. You set the title and then a short description. And then over here in this corner, you can also attach a milestone to a specific user. So let's say you attach a category to one user and you want another user to be responsible for the milestones. Then you can click here to attach this to that particular user. So all the milestone responsibility is going to fall on that person, which I definitely recommend that, you do, is to, assign someone to the milestone because it keeps things so much easier. But if it's just you, then you don't have to assign yourself. All right. So you have here right now, you have the public. I'm just going to click to remove that there. What you want to do is you can add different permissions for this milestone. So if you're working on, let's say you've created different sections and you want just certain people to have access to it, or certain companies, let's say company 1 once again, and you want only company 1 to have access to this milestone here, you click here, select whatever one it is, and you click on add group. So now it's going to automatically add it. So everyone in company 1, that's the client's end, they are going to be able to log in and they can get updates about the milestone. So every time that you hit a milestone, they can post comments, feedbacks, and different things. So this milestone now is going to be connected with that company. So if you're working on multiple projects, you can do this for each one just to make sure that the milestone is met for each company or each client.